What's up? It is Casey from Casey's Customs. This video we are going to finish up our 1954 Chevy traditional build, and if I can get to 100K by the end of 2022, I will give this away for free, $0. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So we are going to put the windshields front and back in the 1954 Chevy. This is basically the last thing this needs. Obviously, there's lots of stuff that could be done. I still have the side glass. I'm not going to worry about all that right now. I do want windshields in it so I can start driving it around a little bit. So me and Dad are going to throw these in real quick. This is basically the last step on this old girl for a little bit. Hope the back goes that easy. That looks fucking sweet. Almost might let it sit out on a hot day and do it too. Yeah. Just beat the fuck out of it. She's got glass in. Time to take her for a drive. We're gonna take it up to Dad's house and get it out of here. I've been worried about getting it scratched up while working on the Mustang. I get to take her for a proper drive. So excited. So, funny story. We get the glass in. Everything's great. I mean, it's looking awesome. We fire it up. We fire up the GoPro. We're going to take it for its drive. This is basically its last drive. I'm not going to worry about the side glass. I'm going to probably just give that to whoever the new owner is. If we end up not hitting 100K, I'll probably end up doing it and keeping it. Anyways, I was like, it's done. Final drive. I have a windshield. I can actually get on the highway, take it for a proper drive, and the fuel pump goes out. I think my wiring was hitting. I just kind of had it ran across there, and I think I pulled it too tight, and it broke through the sheathing on the wiring, ground itself out. So my fuel pump, these are just little cheapy fuel pumps, electric fuel pump, it shorted out, and it's not good anymore. So we have a new fuel pump. I'm going to jack it up, get the old one out of there, put the new one on, and then hopefully that fixes our problem. We can fire it up, take it for its drive. But I thought it was kind of funny. I mean, GoPro was rolling. It's going to be an awesome footage, and it just died on me. I was like, what the hell? I can't hear the fuel pump running. Oh, it's because it's shorted out and I'm an idiot. So I just said all that to say I was an idiot like 3 times. But yeah, let's fix the fuel pump. Okay, new fuel pump. I think we're good. Found out I was out of gas. She's on. There we go. There we go, baby. Sweet. Okay, glass is all done. Everything's ready to go. It's finally running well. I got everything worked out with the fuel pump. Very, very excited. I'm gonna pull it outside. I'm gonna give it a nice little wash, and then we're gonna throw a GoPro on the fender, probably put a camera inside so you can see me, and we're gonna take it for a drive. I would like to get on the highway a little bit. We're gonna take it up to my dad's house. It's basically gonna go up there pretty much in storage until we do something with it. I'll probably drive it here and there a little bit, but I'm basically done with the build. Hopefully we can get the 100K. Please, dear God, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hopefully we can get to the 100K, and I will give this to one of my subscribers for absolutely free. But if we don't, I'm definitely gonna drive the shit out of it. I'm gonna have some fun with it. Traditional builds are really cool because it's just all 50s technology. You know, it's pretty neat. It's not gonna be the fastest car. It's not gonna break the best, but it just looks cool as shit. Let's get her washed. Let's take her for a spin. fuel pump. Soaking wet. What a cool looking car, man. I love this fucking thing. Ooh! Bottom down a little bit. That was loud. A little bottom out? There was a cop following me for about half a mile. Oh, shit. So you're gonna sit up here next to the trike for a little bit. Sweet. Thank you very much for watching. Please, for God's sakes, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, probably 3 times in this video already. If we hit 100K by the end of 2022, I will give this away for free. I really am okay with keeping it. It's a fun car. Traditional builds are cool because it's basically like driving a time capsule, but it would also be cool to give it away to one of my subscribers. So, oh, by the way, it's not completely done. There's still plenty of stuff I can do to it. We need glass. One of the doors doesn't have the latches right, stuff like that, but basically she's finished. I'm not gonna do a video series on installing glass, you know, the side glass. So that's why I'm saying it's done. It's probably not gonna be on camera anymore until we do the giveaway. Hopefully we do the giveaway. But thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff they tell you at the end of videos, and check out some of my other videos. Peace. Love you.